everybody, it's me Max, and today I'll be showing you how to make fish in the oven. And we'll serve it with rice and tahini sauce. For this recipe we need fish, onion, garlic, parsley, carrots, oil, lemon juice, cumin, coriander, salt, black pepper, and paprika. Let's start with the fish first. First, we need to make cuts in the fish with a knife from both sides, as you see in the video. For this recipe, we used almost 6 pounds of fish. Then we'll mix 1 medium-sized onion, 7 large garlic cloves, some parsley, and then put it in the food processor. Then we'll add 1 cup of shredded carrots, 1/4 cup of oil, 3 tablespoons lemon juice, salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 tablespoon coriander, and 1 teaspoon paprika, and mix. First we'll put the mix inside of the fish, then we'll put the mix on both sides of the fish, as you see. It is better if you leave the fish from 30 minutes to 1 hour in the marinade. In an oven pan, we will put foil and baking sheets. Then we will put the fish in the oven pan. We will put it in the oven on the middle shelf in the broil at the highest heat. After 25 minutes in the oven, we will put it on the other side. Then we'll put it again in the oven. The time that you put it in the oven depends on the size of the fish. At this time, we'll make our rice, which we'll serve with the fish. For this rice we need oil, 1/2 cup of orzo, 1 cup of rice, 3 cups of water, salt and black pepper. In a hot pot with oil, we'll put the orzo. We'll keep stirring until the color of it has become golden. Then we'll add the rice. We will continue stirring it for a couple of minutes. Then we'll add the water. Then we'll add the salt and black pepper, and then we'll stir well. We will cover the pot, and when the rice starts to boil, we will put it on a lower heat. Until the water is dry, you can serve the rice, as you see in the video. Now we will make the tahini sauce, which we will serve with the fish. We will need 1 garlic clove, 1 tablespoon mustard, 1/4 cup of tahini, salt and black pepper. Then mix and add a little bit of water to the mix. Now as you see, it's ready to serve. As soon as the fish comes out of the oven, we need a sauce to put on it. To make the sauce, we need 1 cup of boiled water, 3 tablespoons oil, 3 tablespoons vinegar, 3 tablespoons lemon juice, 2 minced garlic cloves, salt, half teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon coriander, 1/4 teaspoon paprika. Then mix. Now the sauce is ready to serve. Once the fish comes out of the oven, you can put the sauce on it. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.